It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTIE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right here, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And the question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move. I can't imagine anybody sitting around saying, no, today wasn't a good move. Everybody would agree today was a good move. But that does bring up the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it revolves around a single level. And that is why I love charts, makes things very straightforward. And that level is down here at 65 cents. Why is 65 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 65 cents. Any sort of closes below 65 cents, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have a set of lows down there. And if you picture each one of those as a stair step, well, hey, the stair steps are progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves do, right? They make progress in the upwards direction. So in my mind, at least, 65 cents, a very important level of support. Ideally speaking, if the price can hold up above that level there at 73, that would make the chart look like the absolute strongest, but by no means is 73 cents a must-hold level. So if the price falls below it, I'm not saying everything's ruined or anything for the reasons we talked about down there at 65 cents. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where's some battlegrounds at? Initial area of resistance is just essentially where the party stopped today, right there at 78 cents. And then if the price can push through there, oh, that's interesting. Let's see. These are lines from previous times that I did it, so let me get those out of there. I'm confusing myself here. There we go. So after 78 cents, next key level of resistance right there at about 90 cents. So almost a kind of a little miniature blue sky breakout there in a sense. So 78 cents, 90 cents, next couple areas of resistance. But all in all, as long as the price keeps on building these higher bases, that's the name of the game. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.